Welcome to the Caliper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Xbox app not opening on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. At first, make sure you have internet connection, then make sure your date and time are fixed. And after that, what you have to do is just go to your taskbar, right click on your taskbar and open up Task Manager. Then just expand this. From here, find the Xbox app. Just search for the Xbox app, and when you find it, just right click on it and click on End Task. Then try to open your Xbox app. It should work. And if it still doesn't work, what you have to do is just go to your Microsoft Store and make sure your Xbox app is up to date to the latest version. And then try to open it. If it still doesn't work, what you have to do is just go to search. In here, type services. Then just open up services. Just expand this. In here, search for gaming services and you're gonna find two of them. Just right click on them and click on restart. Do this for both of the gaming services. Then just close this. Then just go ahead and try to open up your Xbox app. And if it still doesn't work, what you have to do is just go to your settings, click on the start button, then just go to settings. Then from here on the left hand menu, go to apps. Then from here, just go to installed apps. Then you wanna search for Xbox here. Then when you find Xbox, just click on the three dot icon, more options, then click on advanced options. Then from here, just scroll down a bit. Here, at first, click on terminate to terminate the app. Then just click on repair to repair your app. Just wait a bit, it will repair the app for you. And you can also reset the app if you want. And if it still doesn't work, then just uninstall the app and reinstall from Microsoft Store again. Then just go ahead and open up the Xbox app. It should be working. And there you go. And that is how to fix the Xbox app not opening on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.